guys, so we are going to get started with a new playground. So open up Xcode, jump right in, we're going to choose a blank, we're going to go next, and we are going to call it conditionals. Or conditional, whatever. Alright. So, going full screen here, we're going to get rid of this. And what we're going to do is we're going to first create a function. So before I start typing, try to put in what the first 4 letters to start a function. Put it in there. Alright, and we are going to call this friendship calculator. And we are going to create some arguments here. We are going to create a your name, which is going to take a string. We're going to put a comma here, and then we're going to do another argument called their name, and it's going to be another string. Alright, now what we're going to do is we are going to return a value, and we're going to return a string. And then remember the brackets, because all functions need brackets. Alright, so give yourself a little space. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to create a random constant. Alright, so if you've done the dice app already, you've seen the random number in there. We're going to do a little different kind of random number. So we're going to do let friend number, all right, and we're going to equal, and we're going to start typing ARC for arc, and we are going to get an arc for random uniform upper bound, okay, uint32. Now we're going to put in here the number 101. What that means is that any number from 0 to 100 is going to be called, and when we put 101, the top number is always -1. So if we actually put 100 in here like this, it would actually only go up to 99, and that's just how coding works. Okay, and so the first thing we're going to do is now we're going to create an if statement. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to check friend number, and we're going to check if it is greater, let's just say 80. Okay, and we're going to put our brackets, because every if statement, every else if statement, every else statement has a set of brackets. And what we're going to do is, because we are doing string, we're going to return, okay, and we're going to return a string. So anytime you use the arrow and then you're going to return a value, this could be string, it could be integer, it could be double, it could be any kind of data type. The return needs to match that. So we're going to return a message, and we're going to say your friendship is a never ending circle. Okay. So then we're going to create an else statement, and with the else statement, what else actually really means is everything else. So if the number is greater than 80, it's going to say return, it's going to return your friendship is a never-ending circle. Everything else, we're going to return you are not good friends. Okay, and make sure you have your set of brackets here, and make sure you have a set of brackets closing the entire function. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to call the function, and we're going to put in the name. So remember that these are strings, so strings have quotation marks. And remember that your string will turn red, okay, in most of your color schemes. And we're just going to choose, we'll just say John. And we're going to press play. And we're not going to get anything in the print console, but we are going to get "You are not good friends." So we want it to return to the print console. What we're going to do is we're going to print. Make sure that you use and encapsulate the entire thing inside. Alright, a set of parentheses. And now you can get it down here. You are not good friends. Alright, great. That's part 1.